here come the stars. This is the lunar cycle. It is about the moon. By Victoria Floriana and Lucy.
Here is the new moon. The new moon is when you can only see black. You may ask, where did the moon go during this time, during the new moon? But really, the moon didn't go anywhere. Just, you can't see it because the sun's not reflecting off of it. Next up, we have the waxing crescent. Waxing means the moon is becoming more visible, and it seems as if it's growing. And the crescent means only a small sliver of the moon is visible.
This is first quarter. First quarter is when you can only see half of the moon.
Now, it is coming to the waxing gibbous. The waxing gibbous is when you can only see when you cannot see only a small crescent. All the rest of the moon is visible except for that small little crescent. Gibbous means more than half but less than whole. Next we have the full moon. The full moon is when all of the moon is visible, or 49% of the moon is visible because, and so you don't need to worry about werewolves or anything. That's just simple legend. Although there could be. Dun, dun, dun. A wolf! Ow!
This is waning crescent. This is waning gibbous. Waning gibbous. Oh, what did you? This is waning gibbous. Waning gibbous is when you can see more than half, but part of it is disappearing.
And then there's little aliens ship over here. I hope you like it. Some people just watch too much History Channel. Sorry. Okay. And this is the last quarter. The last quarter is when you can see half of the moon, and it is halfway through the end of the cycle. Lastly, we have waxing crescent. Waxing means when the moon is becoming smaller in visibility. Waning crescent. And only a small sliver of the moon is visible, but more of the new moon is visible. And you can't have a waning crescent without a Catalina, so here it is. I'm sorry, I just had to put that in. Yes, love your sound effects. Yes, you see, Tar.
Now it is the new moon once again. This is the end of the lunar cycle, and it will begin again.
Ready? Now we're going to be talking about lunar and solar eclipses and how they're different. A solar eclipse is when the Earth the moon and the sun are all aligned. The sun is making a perfect circle around the edge of the moon, and it seems as though the moon is blocking out the sun. Now, when this happens, the moon will seem as though it has rays coming off of it. And it'll look a lot like this. There's the sun. And here's the moon. And from Earth, this is how it's visible. And now it's progressing to cover up the sun, because they're all, and when it's perfectly aligned, the sun's rays come up, but you need to have special glasses to view this, or else you could potentially burn out your eyeballs.
And become blind.
Uh-oh.
The lunar eclipse. You like my my constellation?
See if you can spot them.
See if you can spot them. Whee! Okay. This is when the Earth casts a shadow on the moon. And now I'm drawing all the little continents. So the Earth is between the equator. Can't forget that. The moon and the sun. And the sun casts a shadow over the moon. And then the moon looks like this. You do not need special glasses to see this one.
And unlike the solar eclipse, which happens twice a year, the lunar eclipse happens twice a month. Twice a year. It's very easy to mix this up, folks. So
Thanks for watching.
Sorry that you can't read my handwriting, so I printed it down there. Yay!
So, yeah.
Thank you. That was from the lunar cycle for you. Bye now.
sorry if we confused you.